Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel Inspired Birdie. So today we're going to do another Dollar Tree Christmas DIY. We're going to do some house decor, and I have two DIYs in this one video, so I hope you guys enjoy, and if you're looking for more inspiration, certainly check out my other Christmas DIYs listed below. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so for this first DIY, all I'm going to be using is a picture frame, which I got from the Dollar Tree. Of course, everything's from the Dollar Tree. So as you can see here, I have this picture frame, so an 8 by 10, and I went with the silver border, which I thought was really nice for the holidays. And then we're going to be using these Christmas balls. You have the gold and the silver. And aside from that, I'm going to be using a little bit of hot glue. I know my gun is incredibly getting dirty, but a little bit of hot glue, and that is it for this first DIY. Sorry for the glare, guys. I just blasted the light hoping that it will take away some of that glare, so hopefully it is not too distracting. Alright guys, so there's the finished project. Now it's not totally finished because what I'm probably going to do, which the nice thing about gluing stuff on glass is that you can remove the back and change the back at any given time. So you can see the photo frame, how I like flipped it, and you can see through it a little bit. So I will probably either put a piece of white paper in the background, or I may even put some wrapping paper and some kind of design. I'm not too sure yet, but I do love how it turned out. I just feel like it needs a little bit something in the background. So I'm gonna check out Dollar Tree, see what kind of wrapping paper they have, and I may do that as well, but I just want to let you know for alternative options. And let's move on to the second DIY. Okay, so for this next DIY, I'm going to be using one of these floral foams. So it's a foam wreath that you can find in their floral section. I'm gonna also use some of this garland that I recently hauled. This is the 15 feet that you can get at the Dollar Tree. And then I'm also going to use this really nice sign that I recently hauled as well from the Dollar Tree. I am in love with this sign. It is just so pretty and I wanted to do something with it. So that's going to be it. And then some hot glue, of course. Alright guys, so I'm just going to quickly show you something else I'm going to do. So the garland wasn't long enough. As you can see, there's some white spots. So I'm also going to use these, which are from the Dollar Tree. These are twist tie pieces that you would use to help tie garland to like a banister. But I'm just going to use them to help fill in some of those white spots. Alright guys, so there's the final wreath, and the only thing that I didn't do on camera was I added a little bit of twine so that I can hang it from my door. But other than that, this is how it turned out. I'm going to put it down and face flat so you can see. And something else that I thought afterwards that would be really, really pretty is to put in some battery operated lights. Would be really nice just to put around the greenery, maybe in the tree a little bit. I thought that would be really nice. I don't have any to do that to show you, but I think that might be something that I'm going to do. And then on the back, you would just tuck the battery right in here. Alright guys, so I did find some battery operated lights in these little small Christmas trees that I DIY'd not too long ago that I had a set in. But anyways, so this is what it looks like with lights. I definitely think I'm going to add lights. I do need another set though. One set was not enough, but the lights just add a little extra to it that I really love. So thank you so much for watching today, guys, these two Christmas DIYs. Don't forget to check out my others. I do have a lot of other DIYs if you're interested, and I hope you decide to subscribe. Thanks again, and love and peace to you all. Bye.